Your hands up. Flutter like the waves. All of you are going to repeat after me, okay? Okay? I love dolphins. I love starfish. I love turtles. I love clean beaches. Thank you. So, how many of you are hungry? How many of you are hungry? Aditya Vidya Shram. Thank you. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. Hello, my name is Hafiz Khan. I represent CommuniTREE. Third Saturday of September every year, is International Coastal Cleanup Day. People around the world are going to the nearest beaches and oceans for cleaning up, so that together all of us can create an impact to change policies and bring about changes in decision making of organizations. So today in Chennai, we have 22,000 people participating in the beach cleanup today from Kasimeri to Kovalam. That happens to be the largest cleanup of the world. So many people have not come together in one particular place, in one particular city.
How many people have participated?
Yeah, we have schools, colleges and corporate and NGOs participating. We have a total gathering of around 22,000 plus people today.
Inaugurated by?
It was today we had the RDC, Mr. Praveen Kumar, who took a pledge along with the children today. And yeah, the weather was also so beautiful. Everyone is enjoying it.
Thank you, sir.
Restaurants not to send plastic cutlery when ordering food online. I shall purchase only that can be either recycled, reused, refilled or repaired. I shall avoid